All right, I'm gonna video this in real time. So you have to take these wires and you have to splice them together. This bypasses the fuse mechanism to where your air compressor will turn on. And you'll see where I take this off and then I undo these and splice them and then connect them together. Okay, so now take this one, pull it off, cut this or splice this and then connect them together. So remember, when they're connected like this, it has to be connected together. You cannot cross connect them. All right, once you cut your wire, twist it. Do not wear any jewelry when doing this. I know I got my watch on, but I'm talking like rings or whatever because, save yourself from getting zapped or whatever. All right, you're gonna need these to connect them. If you don't have this, good luck. I wouldn't even use electrical tape, but in a pinch, I would. All right, I just got done using the wire stripper. It's gonna be the 20 to 22, and then you take your wire connector, twist this, put this in here, make sure it's nice and thin. See that? And then run it through like that. And then take your kit. I use a Gerber. And you smash it. Just like that. When it's smashed like that, it's not going to come out. See that? And then I'll show you all here with the wire stripper. This needs to be stripped a little bit more. So I'll put this in here. Right there, 20, 22. And then just right there. Okay.
Yes, I did.
Okay, stick this in here. Hold on. Right there. Now smash it with your Gerber. And then bam, you're good. This ain't coming off. Well, yeah, see? Okay, that's good. All right, the next two that have to be connected is this one and this one. Again, together, and then you'll see. Okay, so my soldier, he already cut it quick, spliced it. As you see, he cut that in, plug it in there, and then he'll use the proper tool. I used a Gerber, but to clamp that down, and then move on to the rest of the other ones, and then I'll do a recap of what was connected. 14 and 11 go together. It looks like it's in 12, but it's not. Here, let me zoom in. 14 and 11 go together, so it's these cords. All right, so now everything's connected from the, you see the wires connected? It's all from the fuses. These are connected like wires from the same. So if these two were like this, they have to be connected. And same with the 14 and 11, they have to be like this. So now the test is to check if it works, and you'll see here in a second. All right, generator's on. You all don't need to see that. So hold on. Turn on the main breaker first. Then the air compressor. Let's see. Do mind the mess. All right. Air compressor's good. If you don't have that, you're not good. Press this. Merry Christmas. Make sure you close the door. The air compressor works.